Alright, shooting some video in hopes of being able to get some help rebuilding or recreating the leg assemblies for my MCI JH-416 mixing console. And I'm just trying to figure out how the leg assembly is attached exactly. There are, on each side, this is the console on it, sitting on its side. On each end panel I've got two captive nuts in the end panel. So I'm assuming that the square shaped leg assembly is just fastened there and there, but I'm not sure if there were bolts that go through the leg assemblies and are countersunk into the leg assemblies or what. And then the thing I really don't understand is then there's one more hole here, which I believe also is supposed to have a captive nut in there, like a T-nut or some such thing. I can't get to the one in here, so that's another story. But was there a bracket, an L-shaped bracket that went here that attached to the leg assembly? How far up does that bracket go, and are those the only three places each assembly attaches? And then I've got one more question on the wiring. I've got some wiring on the back here. I'm going to turn it sideways so it makes a little more sense, hopefully. So here we are looking at the back of the meter bridge. That's the talkback mic right there. My problem is there's this little bundle of wires, this little bus bar or terminal strip that's not attached to anything. I'm wondering where that is supposed to attach and what these wires are supposed to go to. There's they're all related to the same thing. It must be coming in on one and going out on two, or coming in on these two black wires and going out on this one wire. So that's, and then I guess the other thing is trying to figure out what goes to this lamp right here. So some of these wires presumably go to the talkback mic because I've got no wires going to that. And then there must be something that goes to this lamp right here. So any help I can get with pictures or descriptors or anything that will help clarify what's supposed to be connected up to those things and where this thing is supposed to mount, and maybe some clues as to where these wires go, would be fantastic. Thanks.